Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and join the fun. Today I'm making a quick, easy and absolutely delicious pistachio ice cream that you just have to try this Thanksgiving. It's creamy, nutty and perfect for sharing at your holiday table. Without further delay, let's get started. First, take a bowl. I'm using my KitchenAid mixer bowl. Add 200 ml of cream. You can use any cream you trust or even evaporated milk if you prefer. Now add 4 tablespoons of sugar. This depends on your taste. You can add more or less or even skip it completely. Start whisking the cream. If you don't have a machine, don't worry. You can do it manually with a spoon or hand whisk. It'll take a little more effort, but you'll get there. Whisk for about 3 to 4 minutes until the cream looks airy and light. Look at that beautiful texture. Next, add 230 mg of condensed milk. Mix it well, either by hand or using the whisk again. This makes our ice cream base rich and creamy. Meanwhile, chop some pistachios for garnishing later. Now, take 200 grams of pistachio sauce or spread. You can find this easily in stores. To balance out the sweetness, I'm adding a little lemon juice. This gives a slight tartness and helps brighten that gorgeous green color. Now it's time to combine everything. You can either mix it fully and turn ice cream a beautiful pistachio green, or like me, go fancy and swirl it through to make patterns. It only takes 30 seconds. And just look how pretty it turns out. Perfect for Diwali or Thanksgiving or any festive dinner table. Finally, sprinkle chopped pistachios on the top for that crunch. I am even shaping them like little flowers for decoration. Isn't that super beautiful and delicious? And that's it. Your homemade pistachio ice cream is ready. Just freeze it for 3 to 4 hours and it's good to go. Creamy, nutty, festive and made in minutes. Serve it to your friends and family this Thanksgiving or festive season and trust me, everyone will love it. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Please like, share and subscribe if you love this. See you until next time.